Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel. Let's start the video. The first question is, head system of grape training is very popular in. The option is Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan, Bihar. The answer is Punjab. The next question is, heading and pruning refers to. The option is to remove terminal portion of all branches, to remove extra and overlapping branches, to remove the flowers only, to remove flowers and top portion of the main trunk. The answer is to remove terminal portion of all branches. The next question is, most suitable pruning method in apple is. The option is open center form, ladder form system, modified leader system, all of these. The answer is modified leader system. The next question is, pruning is an essential culture activity in fruit plants because. The option is to provide proper shape, to provide strong structure, to beautify the plant, all of these. The answer is all of these. The next question is, pruning of peach should be done in the month of. The option is November, January, September, December. The answer is December. The next question is, pruning of rose should be done in the month of. The option is September, October, January, March. The answer is September. The next question is, root pruning is performed to. The option is increase the CN ratio in the plant, increase the fruiting, remove some smaller roots, all of these. The answer is all of these. The next question is, which crop requires every year regular pruning? The option is apple, lychee, pear, guava. The answer is pear. Object of pruning is. The option is training of young trees, maintenance of growth of trees, bringing vigor on all trees, all of these. The answer is all of these. Name the objective of training and pruning of plants. The option is to control the direction of growth, to improve quality of product, to develop a strong framework, all of these. The answer is all of these. Thanks. Do you like and subscribe the my YouTube channel?